What key products and services does your company provide to the mining sector?
Well, the Impact Catalyst is an organisation that invests corporate social responsibility funding from different organisations into communities. So our key focus in terms of products and services is basically looking at opportunities that creates the best impact for communities. Investing service delivery projects like schools, health, education, looking at job creation opportunities that is supported through the supply chain of mines in a range of different sectors like agriculture, manufacturing, the waste economy, circular economy, and a few other areas.
Great. Tell me, what are the chief benefits and characteristics of the Impact Catalyst service offerings and product offerings?
Well, I think the model of the Impact Catalyst is quite unique. The Impact Catalyst is an organisation actually defined and created by all the mining partners work in collaboration with the state-owned entities like the CSR and NGOs and of course the government. So we actually as a grouping of partners decide what is the best way of investing to create the biggest impact in our country. And I think that is quite unique. It doesn't exist and it creates that collaboration model that is desperately needed in our country to create collaboration between public and private sector.
Fantastic. Then just touching on footprint, what is your footprint in South Africa, in Africa and possibly even the rest of the world?
Well, the Impact Catalyst was first launched in Limpopo, basically with a few partners to make sure that we can launch a few projects of real importance and impact in the province as a pilot. Since then, the Impact Catalyst has grown to Northern Cape with the launch with quite a number of the mining entities in the Northern Cape, and we are now planning the launch in Mpumalanga. The Impact Catalyst as an organisation, the branding has also now been used by Anglo to create similar entities globally. So there are similar entities in Namibia and Botswana in progress, and then there's already an Impact Catalyst in Brazil and Chile.
Great. Then tell us, how is your company, or the Impact Catalyst rather, approaching the new normal following the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic?
Well, the new norm was not really a challenge for us as an organisation, but it was rather how do we make new impact in communities in our country because of the need shifted and the way that we need to make impact actually changed significantly. So we use it as opportunity. So for example, we launched a new program in e-learning across the country, where we are now busy building networks and e-learning platforms across 250 schools across the country to provide e-learning to kids in rural areas where they have been hit the hardest by COVID.
Great. Are there any specific projects, product or service developments that you're planning to take forward in the next 12 to 24 months?
Yeah, so the Impact Catalyst is growing, and every year we've got some new interesting things that's in the pipeline. So I think the first new exciting new program is a road safety program that we're launching in Limpopo, where we are looking at really reducing the risks and the death rates on roads in Limpopo in partnership with a few organisations, going to schools, physically fixing some roads, doing assessments, training in local and provincial government. We also now got a new program in alien vegetation removal, where we are appointing 4,000 youth through a donation that we received from the IDC. And these youth will basically remove some of the alien vegetation that is on properties and farms around the areas that we support, to basically support the agricultural and long-term job creation in agriculture. This is a very exciting program, and as part of that we're also looking at generating hydrogen and biodiesel or high-value products out of the biomass that we collect out of those areas. We're also expanding our healthcare program. Our community-oriented healthcare program covers currently 3.6 million people, providing healthcare services to 3.6 million people across 3 provinces. And we're expanding that with some new partners, taking it close to about 4.5 million people in the next year.
Great. Is there anything else that you'd like to add or highlight for us?
Yeah, so the Impact Catalyst is a collaboration platform. Always are looking for new projects and new partners to collaborate with. So please contact us if you want to work together and see how we can make a change collectively for our country.